In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Grok AI app not working. If the Grok AI app isn't loading, responding, or keeps throwing errors, follow along and we'll walk through a clean, reliable checklist to get you back up and running quickly. Start with the simplest fix. Refresh the page. A quick reload can clear a temporary hiccup and reestablish a fresh session. If it was just a one-off glitch, this might be all you need. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you're actually online by opening another website in a new tab. If that page is slow or won't load, resolve your connection issue first. A stable connection is essential for AI apps that rely on constant communication with their servers. If the page still misbehaves, try a different browser. Sometimes a browser-specific bug or a recent update causes conflicts. If you're using Chrome, test in Firefox, Edge, or Safari, and vice versa. If Grok works elsewhere, you've isolated the issue to your original browser. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted or outdated cached files can break app loading and authentication. In your browser settings, find privacy or security. Choose clear browsing data and remove cached images and files along with cookies. Then fully close and reopen the browser and try again. Disable extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, and VPN or proxy add-ons. These can block scripts, requests, or sign-in flows that Grok needs. Temporarily turn them off or pause them, then refresh the app. If it works, re-enable extensions one by one to find the culprit. Ensure JavaScript is enabled. AI web apps require it for interactive features. In browser settings, look for site settings or security and confirm JavaScript isn't blocked for the Grok domain or globally. Log out of your Grok account and log back in. This refreshes your session and clears token issues. Save any work first, sign out from the app menu, then sign back in and test. Open the app in incognito or private mode. This runs with a clean profile, minimal caching, and usually disables most extensions by default. If Grok works here, the problem likely lives in your standard profile's cache or an extension. Update your browser to the latest version. Modern AI apps lean on new web features, and outdated browsers can fail silently. Check the About section to apply updates, then restart. Finally, check Grok's server status. If their servers are experiencing an outage or heavy load, you may just need to wait. When the status returns to normal, try again. Follow these steps in order and you should have Grok AI working smoothly.